All right, everyone, good morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's March 17, 2026, 9:21 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The market is surprisingly positive today, despite oil price up 0.5% on Nasdaq. Dow is up zero point 0.4, S&P is up zero point 0.5, Nasdaq volume is higher, NYSE volume is lower. So, uh, yeah, if I go to check out the oil price this morning right now. Where is it at? On, still loading. It's really slow. Oil is at 94.66 for WTI, up 1% So not much of a gain. The market actually surprising, like I said, it was green this morning despite oil price up, which is very interesting. Um, so we're gonna look at the index right now, QQQ here. So again, once again, we're bouncing back to the short-term moving average, which is the 10-day, which is the green line. The 21-day is also around that level. Um, Again, we just continue to be stuck in this zone here, right under the red line, which is the 50-day. So we're not deterring further on the QQQ, but we're just stuck in that zone. We continue to be stuck in this area. Um, let's go to SPY. Uh, so again, same thing here. We bounced back from the 200 day. So that was the good thing that we've been bouncing back from last Friday's loss at the 200 day and bouncing back now to the 10 day. But again, it has been a resistance that 10 day. So that is the biggest problem right now. So this could be like, start reversing anytime soon. But if we don't and we surpass, this green line and come back to the red line, then that's a good sign because we haven't come back to the red line for like many sessions now. So we can come back, then at least there's some life to some of the stocks here. So we'll see. Just quickly look at intraday. We are testing the lows right now. So that is a problem for today, despite we were up, but it's still not good. For QQQ, it's slightly better because it didn't make a new low yet, but still we're testing it. We're testing it. Let's go to Dow. Dow, you can see we already test the lows, and right now we're just hovering not too far from the low, so we're not making progress coming back up. We're trading at the bottom of the range today, right now, near the bottom. So that's not a good sign. Again, this one you can see the 10-day is very clear, a downtrend line. That is the biggest problem right now for most of the market is just facing resistance. There's not enough buyers to push it past that line, unfortunately. Let's go to Russell. Similar again, the 10-day slope right here. Again, this morning it's already getting rejected at that level. And like I said, if we do come back up and push higher decisively, and today is the Fed meeting, so who knows what news will come out, but no one expect anything different. Just no movement. It should be no cut rate or anything like that. Just but again, who knows what the Fed will say, right? With this new war stuff, it's probably the first time they're gonna address it. So, with oil prices stuff, so that might stir something up again. Who knows? Or maybe they might say, try to calm everyone down. Hey, this is a short-term thing. Who knows? We'll see. Let's go to stocks on the move. Let me just refresh this page for a second. This is this is not today's. So let me refresh it. And we have SCI at the top here, doing really well. I'm not sure if there's any news, but it's moving light momentum. Very volatile. Let's quickly take a look. I think this morning it undercut yesterday's low and very volatile. Overall it is in a downtrend. Look at that, right? But it's not the downtrend you expect, like, because it's just wobbly. Like, it comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, and then comes down. So it's very wobbly, and yeah, anyhow, that's that. MU, again, the data storage group has been strong. Let's see today. Yep, make new high. Very powerful. It's almost ready to break out zone. 4 to 55.50. BDSG is bouncing back. SNEX, Guardian. This one is a newer name on my list. It's a smaller stock. So let's see what's doing. It's been pretty. I mean, it's been volatile the last week or two. But overall, it has this nice cup with handle pattern. But yeah, this is a less liquid stock, so expect more movement intraday. But right now it's moving. So JBL, Circle, again, I can't emphasize this stock enough. Circle has been really, really strong. This is one of the strongest chart in the last month. Look at this. We continue to make new high. Very good stock. WDC, again, data storage, Air, ALAB, CAP, Fastly. Another stock that is has done really well, Fastly. Again, you don't find charts like this very easily these days, especially in the last month. Look at how it just continued to make new high. We did have a pullback today. I mean, this last yesterday and today, and this morning it bounced back. So that's a good bounce right there on the 10-day. CMP, EQNR, APH, AMG, RL, LGT, Palantir. That is a name that you haven't seen in a while on this list. Look, let's go look at it. Look at Palantir making a move today, bouncing back above the red line. The last time it came near it, it just couldn't stay above it, right? But today, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Like, earlier it was 1%, now it's closer to 2%. If we continue to see strength throughout the day, I think this is a good entry point. Um, yeah, so anyhow, something that we haven't seen in a while. Let me go to my list to finish off any stocks that I saw earlier. We have A-Lab also bouncing. Again, so those are the few ones. Delta Airline also making a move today, and Expedia also making a move. Let's take a look at those two. Again, retail hasn't done well. Look at this, pretty big downtrend line. Look at Delta today, bouncing back to 21 days. Still not completely clear out of the woods, but at least there's a nice bounce today. We'll see if this can stay above the 21 today or not. That'll be important. If it closes at the bottom, not a good thing. But at least we're trying to clear the first level, which is the 10-day. Let's go to Expedia. This one also making a move, very similar. Again, we have this downtrend line. We're not completely out of the woods. We're just slightly over it. But it's a good move. Like we're at the top of the range right now, and we're staying strong. So, we'll see how it closes. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's keep going here. We have Amphenol APH bouncing, KTOS bouncing. VRT, still trading near the highs, but little bit more turbulent lately, but nonetheless, it still look overall pretty good chart here. Look at this tight digestion here. Right now, we're doing another digestion up here. So yeah, let's keep going. Again, we talk about Guardian, but BDSG also doing well. Bright Spring, PSX. This is the one oil stock here. Let's take a quick look. Oops. PSX here. Phillips, look at this, trading really tight near the highs. I mean, this is a very nice momentum right now because of the oil story. So looks pretty good. And yeah, we already talked about Circle. So yeah, not much other stuff really shows strength on at least on stocks on the move. Let's quickly take a look at gold. Yeah, it just continued to slide down. There's no momentum whatsoever. RS rating is coming down. Anyhow, thank you all for watching. Have a good day. And happy St.